Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? It's Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Air Marlins Club. Gonna take up the Freewing Yak 130. Got her in mid rates, which for me is 50% throws over 15% expo. Actually, that was low rates. Mid rates are 60% over 15% expo, and high rates are 70%. If you look at 70%, that's quite a bit. So let's try our mid rate, which is 60%. All right. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. I got really no wind today, so timer set for 3.5 minutes. Good flying little jet.
Gear down. Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
Yeah. There we go. Yep, I'm gonna go on the grass. But that's okay. Had a really good landing. I think I like mid rates, which again, mid rates are 60% throws over 15% expo all the way around. Did not seem to need any down elevator, or elevator mix, so that's good. All right, as we walk out, I'm sorry you're having to watch me walk out here like this, but you know. All right. All right, get her turned around, motor off. And since there's really no wind today, we'll just take off in this direction today. All right. Take off flaps. Motor on. It seems to be a lot easier to fly when you have the motor on.
Landing flaps. Gear down. Flaps up. Gear up.
Oh, what a sweet flying little jet.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Little red rocket.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Well, anyways, y'all know me. Y'all know that if I'm not talking, it's because I'm nervous. Ah, sweet, sweet, sweet. So we got 1.5 minutes. All right, go to take off flaps again.
landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh, my nose gear didn't come down. Well, I should have noticed that and powered out of it.
Motor off.
Hope I didn't just damage my nose gear just now. But I have found that on this nose gear for this yak, you have to be careful with your landing, especially that, because that nose gear, if that bends back even the littlest bit, yeah, we're fine. If it bends back even the littlest bit, then that nose gear does not want to come down. Yeah, we're just got our skid marks there. Then it binds. Oh, come on. Yeah, that nose gear is wanting to be a booger bear again. Well, that's okay. I know how to fix it. I think how to fix it, I think I'm just going to replace it. Might put some different gear on there. All right, folks. Well, there you go. That was the Yak. Successful flight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.